if you were to pay close attention, this video might change your life forever. This is my ClickBank account, and this is one of the accounts that I have, and as you can see here, every single week I'm generating an average of $20,000 in commissions in one single account. And guys, this is not a screenshot, right? This is a live account, okay? And here you can see this is one of my accounts generating an average here of about $80,000 per month, right? In 4 weeks, okay? So that's 1 month. Now I'm going to hop on to my other ClickBank account. Over here you can see I'm generating an average of about $3,000 per week in my other ClickBank account, right? And you may ask, why do I have so many ClickBank accounts? Okay, so it's actually for different niches, right? So here I'm generating an average of $3,000 per week, okay? And I have my other ClickBank account where I'm generating an average of about $500 to $1,000 per week, alright? So these are all live accounts. Now, here I'm showing you my Warrior Plus account, right? That's my name over there, top right hand corner, and this is live, right? And in Warrior Plus alone, right, I've generated over $22,000 in commissions over the last 30 days, right? And just yesterday I generated about $2,600, today $700. In the last 7 days, about $9,000. All right, and my final platform, it's here. So just yesterday I generated over $756 here in income, right? And just yesterday about $447. So guys, the reason I'm showing this to you is not to impress you, but to impress upon you the possibilities of the internet if you were to execute the right strategy. And guys, in just a minute I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. How am I able to generate over $120,000 in commissions in one single month, despite being in the midst of a pandemic, and doing all this from the comfort of my home. Okay, so I'm just going to dive right in to share with you guys how I generated over $100,000, right, in commission sending simple emails. So in this video, I'm going to review everything that I've been doing over the past few years to build up this business, right, where I can simply send out emails to generate a full-time income. And in fact, it's it's a 6-figure per month income, right? And let's just dive right in. Now, okay, before I dive right in, I almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Shawn Josiah, and over the past 12 months, I've generated over $1 million in commissions, and that's in profits, in the comfort of my home. And I've been silently making money without hyping this up too much. And I've been sharing this concept with just a couple of close friends that I have, and I've managed to turn them into 5 figures affiliate, 5 figures per month affiliate. Some of them have even left their job, but that's just a group of close friends that I have. And me myself, just to share a little bit more, I am Les Brown's #1 affiliate. I'm one of the top affiliates for big names like Anik Singhal. And I have won multiple launches and multiple product launches over the past few years. And I've been keeping this formula to myself and just teaching a couple of friends, but right now I feel that I am obliged to pass on this method and to start giving and to start sharing this method to as many people as I can, because this concept has been helping so many people. And my mission right now is to help and touch at least 10,000 homemade entrepreneurs so that they can spend more time with their loved ones, with their friends, and with their family, and so that they can escape from a 9-to-5 job. So just for the record, all these students that I have, they created this business when they all have a 9-to-5 job. And in fact, some of them are still in a job because they simply love working. So it has given them the option to leave their job, right? But right now, some of them are just doing the things that they love to do and just generating an income and spending more time with their loved ones, right? And also, guys, I'm a ClickBank Platinum member, and that also means I generated over $500,000 in sales in one single calendar year. And I have also helped a couple of my students hit ClickBank Platinum status as well, right? So guys, if you were to notice, I have shown you guys the different platforms that I have been using to generate this amount of commissions. And you know, I'm not tied to one single platform. I'm not tied to, for example, ClickBank as a single platform or Warrior Plus as a single platform. But if you notice, I've shown you multiple platforms, and the reason I can do that is because I'm not tied to the playing field, or I'm not tied to the algorithm of a single platform, for example, Facebook, Amazon. No, I'm not tied to that, right? Because I simply own my list. My email list is my asset, and I'm going to show you exactly how I build my email list and how I can use my email list to also generate what are the different ways that I can use my list to generate an income. So it's all going to be done in this presentation, so you definitely want to stay all the way till the end, and I'm going to share with you a special bonus at the end, so you definitely do not want to miss that out. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I generated over $100,000 per month in commission sending simple emails, right? So right now what you're looking at is what I call the list building formula. Okay, so from the left all the way to the right, that is the flow. Now from the left, you know, in order to start any business, you need this thing called traffic, right? So in this case, traffic is basically eyeballs, right? It's basically attention. It's basically it's the blood of a business, right? So you got to run traffic to somewhere. Okay, so in every business, for example, even a brick and mortar business, for example, you take for example McDonald's or Subway. If there's no traffic, if there's no people queuing up to buy stuff from their store, they're gonna go bust, right? So it's the same for an online business. You need this thing called traffic. So what we're gonna do is to run traffic, okay, to what I call a landing page, right? So a landing page is simply a lead capture page where we offer something in return for a person's name and email address. So it's like a bribe. It's like an ethical bribe, right? And in this case, it's a form of a landing page, right, where we can give them like a free video, a free training, a free ebook, you know, whatever it is, right? So that you grab this person's name and email address ethically, right? So it's a permission-based business. Now, once that happens, okay, we're gonna bring them into what I call an autoresponder. Okay, an autoresponder, you know, there are tons of it out there. GetResponse, SendLane, Aweber, whatever it is, right? You gotta make sure you capture these leads into an email autoresponder, and this email autoresponder is where the magic happens. Right now, you get to send to them automated emails, right? So basically, it's like a sales machine running for you 24/7. As long as you have got traffic flowing in there, these automated emails are going to make you the money while you sleep. Now, Warren Buffett has a very famous quote saying that, you know, if you do not make money while you sleep, you are going to work till you die, right? You're going to work till the day you die. Now, so this system is going to help you make money while you sleep, because, you know, people are going to start purchasing stuff while you are sleeping, as long as your sales machine continues to run. Okay, so guys, very simple formula, right? Nothing new, right? So basically, step one, traffic, run it to a landing page, and then get an email autoresponder to send out automated emails for you, and then you make money while you sleep, right? So this is a very simple illustration of the model, but I'm going to share with you the different stages of monetization within the list. Okay, so this is the first stage of monetization, right? So once someone enters your landing page, okay, right, what's going to happen is you're going to have this thing called a one-time offer. Okay, so a one-time offer is basically a product that you place at the back of the landing page for you to monetize on the front end of the product. Okay, so in this case, if you were to join Perpetual Income 365, which is the software that I've created to help ease all these things, right, you're going to have your own money page, right? And you're going to have your own Perpetual Income program with your affiliate link hard-coded to the back of your landing page here. Okay, so when someone were to make a purchase, that's where you make money, right? So that's the first stage of monetization. And this is where, right, this is where you get the first chance of sales, right? So what I'm trying to share with you here is that, you know, we don't just make money when someone makes a purchase on your emails, but we make money along the stages of acquiring a customer. All right, so in this case, you make money on stage one, right? And that's when somebody makes a purchase of your one-time offer the moment they opt into your email list. Okay, so that's your first chance of sales. And at this point in time, about 20 to 30% of your sales are made here. Okay, so the question is, where does the rest of the sales, where are they made, right? So I'm going to move on to stage 2. Now in stage 2, this is where we're going to monetize on the 31-day automated emails on the back end. Now guys, so a lot of people have this misconception that the automated emails at the back end is going to make them a lot of money. Now, I have to break that misconception because I've been in this business for years, and I know that the money is made when you send out campaigns and broadcasts on a daily basis, but not so much on the back end. Now I'm going to explain further on that now, but just know that stage 2 of your monetization happens on the back end. Now this is where, right, in Perpetual Income 365, we're going to have 31 days of automated emails that is set up for you. You don't even have to write a single email, and every single link in that email is hard-coded to your affiliate link. So whenever you make a sale, right, within this 31 days of emails, that is going to be sent automatically to your subscribers. Whenever you make that sale, you get paid, right? So we're going to have a done for you backend right here, and that's where the next half of your money is going to be made. All right, so that's about a next portion, not next half, right? About 10% of the sales are made here. Okay, so that's stage 2. Now the remainder of the stage is stage 3, and that's where you're going to monetize, right, on your broadcast, on your campaign. So what's the difference between the broadcast and a broadcast / a campaign versus an automated email is that an automated follow-up series is it runs automatically the moment someone opts in to your list. Now a broadcast is an email that you send off one-off to all of your subscribers. So let's say now you were to log in and you were to send out an email, right, to all your subscribers just for today, and you know that's considered a broadcast email, right? And that's a one-off email. Now in this case, right, when someone would opt in to your landing page, they get added into your email autoresponder, and when someone buys through the daily broadcast that you send to them, right, that is where you make the rest of the money. 60 to 70% here are made of your sales are made here, and that's where you send daily broadcast promotional affiliate offers, right, and then you send them products to your subscribers. Now why do I stress so much on broadcast? It's because broadcasts give you control, right? So you know what products is doing well at this point in time, and you want to hit it while it's hot. You want to strike the nail while it's hot, right? So while it's hot, you want to send out the best promotional offers to your subscribers, and it's usually a very seasonal thing. So in that case, you do not want to clam everything into your automated emails, but you want to make sure you have control, and therefore you send out broadcasts on a daily basis. And that's where, guys, you see my 120,000 per month being made, and it's all completely broadcast, right? I would say, you know, it's broadcast plays about maybe 95% of my money making role in this business. Okay, so this is the broadcast, and stage 3, that's right here, the monetization part is in the broadcast. Now I know that all these things are theory and it sounds a little bit confusing, especially if you're first starting out, right? So the question is, how do I begin? What do I do? You know, where can I get help? You know, am I doing this right? I'm not tech savvy enough, it's too complex. Can I really start this business? Now guys, I know that these questions are legitimate questions, they are real questions, you know, and what I want to tell you is this, right? Whatever that you saw in all these 3 stages, in order for you to build up this entire funnel from the start to the end, it's going to take you a very complex, it's going to be very complex, right? And it's going to take you a lot of time, right? Why do I say that? It's because you know, I did share all these concepts with my couple of students that I have right here, just a small handful of live classes that I conduct, and it takes them 2 days of boot camp to set up everything from the start all the way to the end. And the problem is, even after 2 days, most of my students are still confused, right? And therefore, I've decided to create a software that's going to ease all these things, right? Now, let me show you how easy this software is by showing you some proof that that we have got members creating super good income with us in just the first week or just a couple of days into the software. Now guys, this is Perpetual Income 365, and I've got 3.7k members right now, right? I'm going to look at the success stories. Look at that. We've got almost 300 success stories coming out from this. You know, that's insane. All right, so just look at this. An hour ago, Joshua Elder just posted, right? Perpetual converts like crazy. Thanks for creating an incredible simple system to follow. Look at how much he's making right now. 700 per week, 600 per week, 700 per week, 300 per week, right? I'm going to continue scrolling down. You know, guys have tons of testimonials. Look at this. Completed my 3 days challenge, bought 700 clicks, got 3 sales, 1 upsell. Look, $97 per week generated here. No, per day, sorry, $90 per day, right? Look at Gary. Gary generated $114 per week, right? About $93 here per day, 21 here per day. Look at Mel Manser, right? $164 per day. Look at Michael Pelele, right? Rising Star member, joined Perpetual on the 31st of August, just 4 weeks ago, right? This program has made me $1,000 in sales in 4 weeks. Guys, isn't that amazing? Just look at that, you know, $300 per week here, you know, $295 here. Look at that. These are all daily income, right? Daily income. Look at Stephanie, right? Stephanie made my first ever affiliate commissions. Yay, and that's $235 over here. Look at that. This is Donna. Donna made like $8 per day over here. Guys, and the testimonials just go on and on and on. You know, I can just keep scrolling down, but that's not the point, right? But the point that I'm trying to show you is that this system works, is that we have got tons of success stories coming out of the system because I've made it so simple and so easy that even someone without technical knowledge could execute and could work the system and to make a decent income online for themselves, right? So I'm going to show you what is included in Perpetual Income 365. Now, guys, what if 95% of the work for your list building journey is done for you? Okay, and you know, it's not just done for you, you know, like having a software done for you there, but it comes with trainings. It comes with a proper community, as you have seen on Facebook. It comes with proper bi-weekly trainings from myself, from your coaches. So guys, this is the value that I'm offering right now for Perpetual Income 365. So first of all, we're going to have bi-weekly trainings, and these trainings, guys, these trainings are not going to be cheap, right? But I have brought it down to your Perpetual Income membership. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the back end of this bi-weekly training. So look at that, guys. So every twice a month, I come on and share some really good golden nuggets with you guys, right? And every single training lasts about an hour. That is how much I value my community, and that's how much I want you guys to succeed. So you see, we have got training from scrubbing your list, how to find top 5 affiliate network programs, you know, what are the deadly myths to expel for being a successful marketer. You know, now that you have subscribers, then what, right? You know, emergency training as well for the upgrades that we have. Traffic madness, you know, how do you get top quality traffic, and what do you look out for? What are the matrices that you look out for when you acquire traffic? How to deal with refunds, chargeback, how I generated $100,000 in my list, and the power of building your list. So guys, these are just some of the trainings, right, that I've uploaded here. So the trainings are going to be continuous, right? It's going to be super value packed, and in fact, the value that I'm giving here is nothing compared to what you're going to pay as a member, okay, which I'm going to review to you shortly. So guys, you're going to get bi-weekly trainings in there. You're going to get a community, all right, and there's also coaching involved, and you have seen that community on Facebook, right? We are super active. Almost 300 testimonials coming in of success stories, okay? And what you're going to get is also a fully integrated software. Now you're going to get landing pages that are done for you, right? So there's no need for you to you know, buy expensive landing page software that you got to pay $97 per month. There's no need to even design your landing pages, because everything is designed and tested for you. So these pages are all optimized and they're all tested for you, you know, so you just need to plug and play. Next up, right, your email copies are all written for you. Okay, so if you were to hire someone to write your emails, guess how much they're going to charge you? They get a top quality grade, A-star grade copywriter. It's going to charge you about $50 per email. Think about it. And if I have my email swipes done for you, that's how much value those email swipes are, and these swipes are the top converting ones, right? Now you also got a link tracker done for you. If you were to pay other link tracking software, it might go all the way up to $97 per month. In this case, we have it all integrated in software, so you can track your sales, you can track where sales are coming from, how many clicks have you submitted, and all that stuff, right? Next up, we have a content spinner as well. This content spinner basically writes emails for you so that it looks original, so that you know, there's no saturation in your email copy when you would grab them from the vendor's tools, right? From the vendor affiliate tools. So that is also done for you, okay? And the best part, guys, is we have got 31 days automated CVs that's also done for you. And like I mentioned before, $50 per email. Just imagine how much that's going to cost you, okay, just to write those emails. So we have got the best 31 days emails done for you. It's all going to be automatically integrated into your autoresponder the moment you integrate it into Perpetual Income 365. Now, next up is we have also integrated your ClickBank ID. We have also Digistore, and we are going to put in more platforms into Perpetual Income, and it's all integrated into one. So the moment you integrate your autoresponder and your preferred platform choice, right, everything is going to be in one place. So there is no need for you to you know, log into ClickBank, log into Digistore to find your products, because everything is in the software, right? Now we have also got traffic training, okay, that's done for you, right? So I'm in there sharing with you guys how to acquire traffic, how to get the best traffic source and all that stuff, right? And how to calculate the best the best cost per lead, you know. So all the math is done for you as well. Now, product sourcing and training, all right? So I'm going to share with you in the program how to find top quality products, how can you solve them, and what are the criteria and requirements that I use in order for me to find these products. Now, guys, if you were to look at all the value, right, the bi-weekly trainings here is $297 per month. Community and coaching is $197 per month. A fully integrated software, if you were to get something from the public, it's going to cost you $97 per month for landing page builder, $997 just to write your emails, a link tracker, $97 per month again, content spinner, $19 per month, and done for you emails again is about $1,005 if you get top quality ones. Integration, if you want someone to do it for you, it's going to cost you probably about $600. Traffic training about $200 here. Product sourcing about $200 here. The total cost to the public, if you were to acquire all these software, you know, even guys, I haven't even put in things like hosting and domain, you know, and all that stuff, because you know, it's also done for you, right? So those are costs as well, which are not in there, because those are more minute costs. Now, the total cost that you're going to pay is probably about $3,500 plus a monthly visit draw of about $700 payment that you got to pay, right? But what we are offering right now in Perpetual Income 365 is simply just a $9 trial for 14 days. So for just $9, you get to enjoy this entire software for 14 days and to test out if this really works for you. And then if you were to keep the system, it's only $47 per month for this entire training plus software plus community. You know, guys, with one single product sale, you're gonna probably make it back, right? So it's a no-brainer. It's the reason why most of our members are seeing huge results. And guys, I'm just gonna show you a quick demo of how it looks like in the software. So this is how it looks like in the software. Very comprehensive, right? It's very complete, right? A lot of thoughts have been put into it. So we have got a very simple 7 steps integration process. Now it's under a step-by-step guide. So step 1, you integrate your ClickBank account or Digistore account or whatever platform it is that is on Perpetual, and then you integrate your autoresponder. Right, and then you have optional upgrades, right? Like step 3, 4, and 5. These are all optional upgrades for you to, you know, if you really want to supercharge your business, you know, you can always take up these upgrades, but it's optional, right? And there's no need for them to make money with us, right? It's just putting it out there. So 3, 4, 5 are optional. Now, after you integrate both your ClickBank and GetResponse account or your Digistore account or Warrior Plus, whichever it is, then the next one is to go to step number 6, right, which is to create your money pages, which is your landing pages, and get your links. Simple. And right after that, you watch the mindset training video, okay? Watch those educational videos, get your mindset aligned with us, right, so that you have the right mindset for success. and then you start acquiring traffic. So in this traffic training, there's free traffic methods training and there's paid traffic methods training as well. So it's all up to you, whichever you are comfortable with, right? So guys, all these for just $9, all right, to start for 14 days. And you have seen the success story. It's amazing. We've got over 300 of them, right? And then just $47 per month to keep the system if the system is working for you. Now guys, if you are watching this video right now, you are in for a huge treat, right? Remember I said that was a bonus. Now this bonus is what I call the welcome bonus, or in other words, it's a 3 days challenge for you guys to execute in the business. Now I'm literally going to bribe you for this 3 days challenge. What do I mean, right? So within the 14 days trial with us, what I want to do is to make sure that you succeed. I want to make sure that you make at least 2 sales, right? 2 residual sales, so that your membership is free. So guys, I know that, you know, we all hate paying monthly subscriptions, right? But what if you could have your monthly subscription for free, right, in just 3 days of running your business? Would that take away this pain of yours? Right, 100%, isn't it? Now, so what's going to happen in this 3 days challenge is this. Upon signing up, just a $9 entry fee, all right, you are going to be put in a 14 days trial. Within this 40 days trial, if you were to execute, right, if you were to execute your business, that means if you were to create, if you were to integrate your software, if you were to create your pages, and if you were to run traffic, okay, what I'm going to do is to match your traffic 1 for 1. Okay, guys, this is huge because I'm literally using my own money out of my pocket to send you traffic 1 for 1. So within this 3 days challenge, right, if you were to acquire traffic, right, from various sources, and if you were to show me how much traffic you have acquired, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my own list. Like you guys have seen, my list generated me about $120,000 per month. I'm going to use that list. There's tons of buyers out there, super good quality list, and I'm going to send traffic your way, right, 1 for 1. So if you run 1,000 clicks out there, you come back to me and say, I've ran 1,000 clicks. I'm going to say, great, I'm going to match it 1 for 1. I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks to your link. And guys, that's a huge deal. In fact, I'm losing money, but it's perfectly fine, because what I want is for you to aim for your first 2 sales, which most of the time you would, right? After matching your clicks, you would. So most of the members, what they do is to really capitalize huge on this bribe or this bonus that I have for them, and they make tons and tons of sales. Like you have seen, guys, some people are making $200 per day, $300 per day, and it's pretty consistent, right? Now, next is to get your business running in 3 days. So in 3 days, literally, you could get your business up and running. And this is a challenge that I'm posting out to you, okay? And after the challenge, guess what? I'm going to throw in another bonus, all right? And that's to get 1 free upgrade of your choice. 1 upgrade of your choice. So guys, if you were to look at all the upgrades, they cost at least $100 per upgrade. You're going to get 1 free upgrade of your choice, okay? And you know, so that's again going to cost me money, but that's fine. So that is my promise to you, right? If you were to honor taking action, because I reward action takers, okay? Now, basically, you're going to double your subscriber with no extra work. That's it. Very simple, okay? So you're going to double your subscribers because I am going to match your traffic. And guys, my traffic is top quality traffic, as you know. So with this extra bonus, right, with you just basically taking action within your 14 days trial, you know, chances are very likely you're going to get a membership for free, right? Because you're going to be making residual perpetual sales. And guys, for the record, we are all making perpetual residual sales, right, when we are in Perpetual Income 365, right? We are not just making one-off sales, but we aim to make a residual monthly income month after month, right? So whatever that you saw in the testimonial page, those are actually residual income that's going to come in month after month, right? So guys, once this challenge is complete, right, it's completed, you're going to get 1 free upgrade as well. And basically you just put in just put in an effort of work and you get 2 times the return. That's it, and that's my promise to you guys. So guys, if you are keen to join the Perpetual Income family, there's going to be a link or a button within this page, around this page, okay? And I would like you to just click on that, right? Put in your details, okay, and join us, right? Because At the end of the day, guys, I've made this thing so simple, right? And my personal mission is to help 10,000 people break free from the 9 to 5, spend time with their family, and therefore I've made it so seamless. I've made this so easy for anyone to join. And if guys, you are with me on my vision, if you think that this is going to be helpful for you, just like the other 3,000 members did, then guys, do not waste any more time, right? Because I'm not going to put this welcome bonus up forever, because I'm losing money every single time. So clinch this bribe, clinch this bonus. All right, there's a button anywhere within this page. Click on it, put in all your details, join the family, and I'll see you guys in the members area. Bye for now.